Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can best use our AI to analyze a lot of patents, publications, grants, trials, or. So let's say I'm searching for tri-specifics, I'm looking to patents, I click the AI button. Now this then works the same for all the other categories that are like documents. For profile categories like groups, research, and companies, there's a different approach. But let's say we look into patents, we click on the AI, we have three options. We can just ask one question to select or like a bunch of questions to analyze 50 patents. It will look into the title, the abstract, but not the claims in this case, and some other data. But here then you can ask multiple questions. You can ask to create a table, etc. So let's say if I do that, I didn't check actually what was the default here, but as you can see, it analyzed the abstracts and it generates the answers with always the link to the specific patents, etc. Now I want to show you the second option and the third option. The third option, here you can also analyze the claims and will even look into the full text. You can do it for 1, 2, sometimes 3, 4, depends on how much text there is available. So you could then not select all of them, of course, but you could make the easiest way is just select none. And then here you could select 2 to compare them, and then you could ask about how do they relate to each other, etc., or what's different, etc. So that's more to compare. IP, maybe competing IP or follow-on IP, etc. So that's more to go into detail. Again, you ask one or several questions, and then the data of these 1, 2, 3, or 4 patents is analyzed. Now the power mode here is extracting insights from individual. So here you look into the abstract and the claims, and the answers to each question are provided in an Excel. So how does it work? You select here how many results, and then you can only add one question per field. So I could ask, if I want to have a second question, I can add another question and enter my question here. If I want to add more questions, I can add them all here. Now, what I like the most and what I truly recommend is using the AI option. Let AI add 20 questions. So in this case, I'm going to copy something from different. So let's say we let AI add 20 questions, the novel tri-specific. So I want to landscape any novel tri-specific innovations to identify opportunities to license, acquire, or co-develop and assess competitive landscape. Let AI add 20 questions. So now the AI will set up 20 questions. It's with a specific approach where we ask for multiple choice questions with enough options, like 10 to 20 options, asking as well to specify the answers if it's like other, so you don't miss out. There'll be some yes/no questions and some open-ended questions. And this often already does a lot for most of our users to actually put the questions out there that they need. For example, what's the primary format? These are all things, if you do it by yourself, it takes a lot of thinking and expertise to do that. And if it's other, specified. What's the main target combinations? What's the primary therapeutic areas? Mechanism of action? So all of these questions make a lot of sense. You have a lot of problems behind the scenes to make sure these questions are really on point depending on what you ask. So you could always, for example, adjust a question. You could remove a question so that you can eventually add another question. Let's say if I remove this question, I can add another question, or I can let AI add another question. So then it will, here in this case, add an extra question, something it felt was missing from those. If I then click on preview, it will now analyze the first 5 patents. It will send each of those 5 patents through these 20 questions. So first question is being answered, then the second question knows the answer of the first question plus the data about the patent and provides the second question answer, and then eventually the last question knows actually the answers of all the previous questions, in case that's helpful, as well as the patent context. So the goal here is really to ask questions about an individual patent, which is then analyzed, including the claims, etc. So you have, in this case, the first question was a summary of the claims. What's the really innovation significance related to tri-specifics? And then you have all these structured answers. And if you have then, if you're happy with those answers, you can just click on download. It will process all the patents, 1,355. That will consume 1,355 credits. If you want to adjust questions, you can click on edit question or go to ask anything and adjust any question. If I do that, it says update preview and you will see the preview again. The deliverable, eventually the outcome, that looks something like this. I'm just going to load it up here. So that was on ADCs, but in this case, you could see what are the questions that we asked, what was the query, the date, the year, the filters, the sorting, the link to go back to results. So you can repeat the same thing with exactly the same questions. And then you could filter basically in this case, what is the novelty about? I want it to be about the payload. And then only the patents, the 39 patents of the 200 in this case, are about novelty related to payloads. And then you could see, okay, what is about this specifically a payload, etc. So depending on the questions we have asked, who are the parties involved, etc. And so you can see all the structured data you can use to filter, but you can also see also potential collaboration type, novel combination strategies, if any, etc. You see as well the title and all the data about the patents, who's behind it, and you can go to the specific. So that's the idea of using our AI to analyze a lot of patents, publications, grants, trials, news, ongoing research, extract in a few minutes or even 30 seconds the data points you need to make sense of the landscape and what is really of interest to you. So you can then deep dive in exactly what matters to you. Hope this helps. Happy to help out. Just click the chat button. I'm happy to help you set up the right approach for your specific AI analysis. So don't hesitate to ask my help. I'm here to help you out to make sure you succeed. All right. Wish you all the best and have a great rest of the day. Bye-bye.